Alright, in this video, I'll show how to replace the Kia from 2017 to 2021 Forte key fob. This is actually a physical key that you can switch it off like this. First of all, this key fob uses CR2032 coin-sized battery. What you're gonna need is two tools. Grab one of these small precision flathead or a mid-sized flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna need a precision Phillips head. So first thing, you'll take this flathead, you're gonna put this in between this groove and gap and gently pry it open. I give it a nice little twist and push, just like that. So this is what it looks like after you pry it open. And now here are 4 small screws that you will need precision Phillips head to unscrew. There it is. It says 2032. Now you'll take your flathead and gently, you want to take this and just pry it open like this. And it'll just pop up, just like that. And I'm going to replace it with the fresh new battery. So top first, and then you will have to push it in. Do it from here and like that. Okay, once it's in place, just like that. Now you can cover it back up using the Phillips head. Don't over tighten it, that should hold them. Last thing, just put this cap right back on. Cover it up and just press it gently and it's gonna pop. And do a visual inspection all around. Everything's aligned and it looks good. There it is. That's how you replace the battery for this Kia Forte or other models from 2017 to 2021. Thanks for watching.